Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging in any Android phone. So guys, if you are using any Android device, first of all, let me tell you that, or if you are using any device like a Samsung or any other flagship phone, we can go to battery option. On this section, we have a lot of options, by the way. So in my phone, I don't have any option of fast charging here right now. But if you are using any flagship device or a Samsung device, so you can have a option of fast charging here. So you can enable this feature from here. But if you don't have any option of fast charging, so I'm giving you the tip that how you can charge your device fast. First of all, when you are charging your phone, you can turn off your mobile data, you can lower your brightness and make sure that your Bluetooth is off. After that guys, you can use a fast charger for your mobile phone and make sure that and it will be plugged accurately. So that's how you can enable fast charger, or you can use a trick of fast charging in your Android device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.